The flu is widespread at this point. And that's something to be taken seriously. We have had 24 deaths statewide so far.
And those deaths come as the entire state is seeing elevated levels of flu activity, according to the California Department of Public Health. Elevated levels are expected during the flu season, but Michelle Corson with Kern County Public Health says this year's season is more aggressive than usual.
They're saying that it's a little bit more than average of what we would be typically seeing this time of year. You know, the one thing about the flu is it is unpredictable.
The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says all areas of the country are seeing more cases of the flu. One school in Minnesota saying 322 students were out sick today, over a fourth of the kids in the building.
We have half of our hockey team that was out of school today because the strep throat and flu-like symptoms.
The CDC says there have been 23,000 hospitalizations and 1,300 deaths so far in the country. And even though there's been 24 deaths in California, Corson says Kern has not contributed to that number.
Fortunately, so far this year, we have had no deaths reported to us that are associated with the flu yet here in Kern County. We want to keep it that way.
And keeping it that way means taking steps to keep you and those around you healthy, including getting a flu shot, washing your hands regularly, and staying home when you or a child are sick. The flu poses the biggest risk to the elderly, those with compromised immune systems, and very young children.
These are populations that can be particularly impacted by influenza and can develop more complications and even death.
Now, Jessica Corson also told me that this time of year is particularly risky for flu because people are traveling and they're spending a lot of time with their family.
Makes sense. Now, I got my flu shot at the doctor, but where can you get your flu shot?
Well, there's a lot of companies that will offer free flu shots for those that have insurance, or you can go to the Kern County Health Department. They're giving them for just $9.
Awesome. Good information to know, Austin. Thanks for that. And